Hello, my friends and my students. My name is Mr. Jignesh Rana. I am working as an assistant professor in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, which is situated at Navsari. Today, I am giving the presentation on Introduction of Mechanisms and Machine, Part 2. Today, I am covering the topic name is kinematic pair and its classification, kinematic chain, types of joints in the kinematic chain, and last one mechanism and inversion of mechanism. First of all, first kinematic pair. What is kinematic pair? Now, two links or elements of a machine when in contact with each other are said to form a pair. If relative motion between them is completely or successfully constrained, it means a definite direction. The pair is known as a kinematic pair. Shown in the figure, a slider crank mechanism is given. Link 2 rotates with respect to link 1 and it constitutes a revolute or turning pair. Similarly, link 2 and link 3 and 3 and 4 constitute a turning pair. Link 4 slider which is reciprocate related to link 1 and it's a sliding pair. Now, classification of kinematic pairs. First one, according to the types of relative motion between the elements. Sliding pair, turning pair, rolling pair, screw pair, spherical pair. Okay. Second one, according to the type of contact between the elements. Higher pair and lower pair. Last one, according to the type of closure. Self-closed pair and force-closed pair. Number 1, according to the type of the relative motion between the elements. Number 1, sliding pair. When two elements of pair are connected in such a way that one can only slide relative to other, the pair is known as a sliding pair. Shown in the animation, the piston and cylinder which is reciprocate in a cylinder. Okay. Now the crank has a rotary motion, connecting rod is a oscillating motion, and piston which is piston have a linear motion. It means sliding direction. Okay. So reciprocating steam engine, Rametz guides shaper machine, tailstock on a lathe bed, piston and cylinder in IC engine are the example of sliding pair. Turning pair. When two elements of a pair connected in such a way that one can only turn or revolve about a fixed axis of another link, the pair is known as a turning pair. A shaft with collar at both ends fitted in a circular hole. The crankshaft in a general bearing in an engine, lead spindle supported in headstock, cycle wheels turning over the axles are the practical example of a turning pair. Turning pair is also completely constrained motion. Just for example, shown in the figure, a circular shaft revolving inside a bearing is pure turning pair. Here, bearing is fixed and only rotate only shaft. It means one can rotate or revolve about a fixed link. So, bearing is a fixed link and shaft is a rotating link. Okay, they constitute a turning pair. Also, a shaft with collar at both ends fitted into circular hole. So, shown in the figure, a crankshaft and collar which is fitted in a bearing. So, what can be happen? Only shaft is only rotary motion and that rotary motion is prevented by the collar. Okay, it means a particular definite direction, not in the more than two direction. Rolling pair. When the two elements of a pair are connected in a such a way that one rolls over another fixed link, the pair is known as a rolling pair. Ball and roller bearings are example of rolling pair. Example, ball bearing, rolling chair, etc. Screw pair. When the two elements of a pair are connected in a such a way that one element can turn about other by screw thread, the pair is known as a screw pair. Shown in the figure, bolt and nut is given. So, bolt is fixed and nut is nut is rotating motion, but this rotary motion can be given by the secured by the screw thread. That's why name is a screw pad. The lead of screw of a lead with nut. Okay, this is an example of screw pad. Another example, bolt with a nut is another example of screw pad. Spherical pair. When the two elements of pair are connected in a such a way, one element should be turned or swivels about the fixed element. The pair is formed or called a spherical pair. Ball and socket joint, attachment of car mirror, pen stand are etc. are the example of spherical pair. Okay, so यहाँ पे spherical pair में क्या है कि one link which should be turns or swivel about the fixed link. Okay, this pair is known as a spherical pair. Ball and socket joint is an example of spherical pair. Pen stands, car mirror जिसे हम adjust कर रहे हैं, okay, spherical pair. According to types of contact between elements, first one is higher pair. When the two elements of a pair have a line or point contact, when radial motion takes place and the motion between the two elements is partly turning or partly sliding, the pair is known as a higher pair. A pair of friction distributed gearing, belt and rope drive, ball and roller bearing came in for example of higher pairs. तो बेसिकली हायर पेयर में क्या क्या है कि जब हमारे पैर के दो एलिमेंट में मोशन क्रिएट होगी और वो मोशन कैसे होगी, लाइन और पॉइंट कांटेक्ट में ही होगी. ओके, एंड दिस मोशन बिटवीन इस टू एलिमेंट्स इज पार्टली टर्निंग, यानी कि पार्टली टर्निंग हो रही है और पार्टली स्लाइडिंग भी हो रही है, तो इसे हम हायर पैर कहेंगे. सोन इन दिस एनिमेशन केम इज rotating, it means partly turning, and the follower which is guide, it means follower passes in a linear direction in the guide, is also partly sliding direction. Okay, so this is the higher pair. It means line or point contact is known as a higher pair. Last one is lower pair. When the two elements of pair have surface contact, when radial motion takes place and the surface of one element slide over the surface of other, the pair is formed is known as a lower pair. लोअर पेयर किसे कहते हैं कि जब हमारे पैर में दो एलिमेंट्स में सरफेस कांटेक्ट होता है और जब वो रेडियल मोशन में क्रिएट होता है तो क्या वो क्या करेगा कि दोनों सरफेस एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्लाइड करेंगे. ओके, तो उस पेयर को क्या कहेंगे, हम लोअर पेयर कहेंगे. इट विल बी सीन दैट स्लाइडिंग पेयर, टर्निंग पेयर, स्क्रू पेयर फ्रॉम अ लोअर पेयर. ओके, द एग्जांपल स्क्वायर बार इन अ स्क्वायर होल, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ लोअर पेयर. shown in the figure, revolute pair, prismatic bar, screw pair, cylindrical pair, spherical pair and planar. This is an example of lower pair. Last one is according to types of closure. Self-closed pair. When two elements of pair are connected together mechanically in such a way that only required kind of relative motion occurs, it is then also known as a self-closed pair. The rover are self-closed pair. Example, bolt with a nut. Shown in the figure, bolt is fixed and nut is rotary, have rotary direction, but this rotary direction giving by the hand, one person hand. So this is the mechanically connected. Okay, so this is known as a self-closed pair. Now force closed pair. When two elements of pair are not connected mechanically but kept in contact by the action of some external force, the pair is known as a force closed pair. Now came and follow is the example of force closed pair. It is kept in contact by the force exerted by the spring and gravity. Came and follower. यहाँ पे shown in हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारे जो वेज शेप कैम है जो वो रोटेट हो रही है. ओके, लेकिन हमारा फॉलोवर और कैम का कांटेक्ट कैसा हो जाए, कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. तो कंटिन्यूस कांटेक्ट के लिए हमें क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, स्प्रिंग को यूज़ करना पड़ेगा। जैसे कि हम केम जब हमारा नीचे आएगा तो स्प्रिंग में क्या होगी, फोर्स पूरी एनर्जी स्टोर होगी। जब केम हमारा नीचे आएगा तो स्प्रिंग क्या करेगी, उस एनर्जी को रिलीज करेंगे। इट मीन्स हमारे फॉलोवर और केम में कांटेक्ट हमेशा बना रहेगा। इसे हम फोर्स क्लोज पैर कहते हैं। नाउ मूव ऑन द kinematic chain. When the kinematic pairs are coupled in a such a way that last link is joined to first link to transmit definite motion completely or successfully constrained motion, it is called kinematic chain. Kinematic chain किसे कहते हैं कि kinematic पैर की लास्ट लिंक और फर्स्ट लिंक को ज्वाइन करेंगे और इसमें से किसी एक लिंक को हम डेफिनेट मोशन ट्रांसमिट करेंगे, चाहे वो कंप्लीटली कंस्ट्रेंट मोशन हो या सक्सेसफुली कंस्ट्रेंट मोशन हो। इसे हम काइनेमेटिक चेन कहेंगे। इन अदर वर्ड्स, काइनेमेटिक चेन में बी डिफाइंड एज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ काइनेमेटिक पेयर joined in a such a way that each link forms a part of two pairs and relative motion between the links and elements is completely successfully and constrained. For example, a crankshaft of an engine forms a kinematic pair with the bearings which are fixed in a pair. The connecting rod with the cranks forms second kinematic pair. The piston with connecting rod forms a third pair and the piston with the cylinder forms a fourth pair. The total combination of this link is kinematic chain. Now move on mechanism. When one of the link of kinematic chain is fixed, the chain is known as a mechanism. It may be used for transmitting or transforming motion. Example, engine, indicator, typewriter, etc. A mechanism with four links is known as a simple mechanism. यानी कि सिंपल मैकेनिज्म में 4 लिंक होगी सिंपल मैकेनिज्म में। ओके, ना मैकेनिज्म विद मोर देन 4 लिंक इज नोन एज अ कंपाउंड मैकेनिज्म। ओके, तो 4 से ज़्यादा लिंक को हम कंपाउंड मैकेनिज्म कहेंगे। व्हेन अ मैकेनिज्म इज required to transmit to power or to do some particular type of work, then it becomes machine. जब कोई मैकेनिज्म पावर ट्रांसमिट करता है और कुछ उसकी काम करने की क्षमता होती है, तभी वो मैकेनिज्म मशीन कहलाएगा। इन सच अ केस वेरियस लिंक्स और एलिमेंट्स हैव टू डिजाइन टू विथस्टैंड द फोर्स सेफली। सिंपल मैकेनिज्म and a compound mechanism. Okay, so here how many links? More than 4 links, 2 shaft, 3 gears, so 5 gears, 5 elements is in mechanism, it means compound. For more than 4 links is known as a compound mechanism, and this one is a simple link. First frame, second crank, third coupler, fourth is a rocker. Now the types of joint in a kinematic chain. So again one notice for you, I am just giving information only the definition. This theory is again explained in detail in next videos. Binary joints, ternary joints and quaternary joints. In binary joint, one link is connected with another link is known as a binary joint. Okay, ternary joint. Ternary joint, one link is connected is more than 2 link is known as a ternary joint, or it means 3 links connected with the at a single joint is known as a ternary joint. One ternary joint is equal to 2 binary joints, quaternary joints. Okay, so fourth link, more than 3 link is connected a single pin joint is known as a quaternary joint. One quaternary joint equal to 3 binary joints. Inversion of mechanism. When one of the link is fixed in a kinematic chain, it is called mechanism. Again we will discuss in previous articles. When one of the link is fixed in a kinematic chain, it is called mechanism. So we can obtain many mechanism as the number of links in a kinematic chain by fixing in turn different links in a kinematic chain. तो हम अब क्या करेंगे कि हम टर्न बाय टर्न एक एक लिंक को, डिफरेंट लिंक को वन बाय वन हम फिक्स करेंगे और पर्टिकुलर लिंक को हम इनपुट लिंक में इनपुट मोशन देंगे, तो हमें आउटपुट क्या मिलेगा, अलग अलग मैकेनिज्म मिलेगी. दिस मेथड इज ऑब्टेन डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म बाय फिक्सिंग डिफरेंट लिंक्स इन अ kinematic chain is known as the inversion of mechanisms. Okay, so thank you. Please stay home and stay safe. I hope today you will get it. Thank you.